ingredients above, as you can see, the chicken absorb everything, and that's what makes it yummy. This is the finished product. So there, it's so good. So good. There. This can be a substitute to your lechon. Now it's the taste time. So there. Let me show it to you again. The chicken. There. That is in selfie mode of the cell phone. Now we'll cut through the piece. Okay. There. Oops. Okay, let's put it into our mouth. There. It is really good, trust me. It does not only it does not only look good, but it also tastes so good. You have to try it yourself. There, I'm getting more. I am currently on a diet this time, but because it was so yummy, I really ate a lot than just taste. Look at there. Fix our hair. It would really lit up your mood because it is just yummy. There. I want to grab some more, but there would be still people who will eat it. So let's just get that piece and let's put it into our mouth. Disclaimer, my hands are clean. Okay, there. Oops. Okay. To be honest, that piece is just very little for me because I wanted more, but we still need to let others taste that one. Okay, there. Let's cut it there. I really did not leave any traces. Okay. I still get the sauce. The sauce is really yummy also. It's worth it. That was so good.